Hey everybody, welcome back. It's your girl, Pjamma, with Pjamma Life, and it's my annual review of diverse holiday movies featuring African American, Latinx, Asian American, Interracial, LGBTQ, and Hanukkah stories. Today we review Tyler Perry's Finding Joy on Prime Video, an African American holiday romance. Hey, do you like holiday movies with diverse themes? Well, why don't you like and subscribe to my channel? Tyler Perry's Finding Joy on Prime Video stars Shannon Thornton as Joy and Tosin Monofola as Ridge, and he was in Run the World. Joy is a fashion designer waiting for her big break, but she's giving her designs to Patrick. She's also in love with Colton, who wants to ask her a big question, and asked her to his family's home in Colorado to meet his family. But once there, all is not what it seems, and she escapes in the middle of a snowstorm and jumps into the car and crashes her car into the lake. Luckily, she's saved by the handsome Ridge, who takes her to his family's mountain cabin. As they spend time together thawing out, things heat up between them. Will Joy find her mountain man? Will Ridge finally open up, or will he return to his cherished solitude in the mountains? Okay, Tyler Perry has entered the holiday space in a big way. You know what I really like is that unlike Hallmark and Lifetime and some of the other channels have championed stories with conservative anti-feminist themes, Tyler takes the complete opposite direction and champions women to stay and conquer corporate America. Bravo, Tyler, for going the way of positivity. The story was solid, the two leads were charming and had real chemistry. This was also beautifully made. So I'm going to give it my yay rating. I hope you like my holiday review, and if you did, please like it and subscribe to my channel. Come back tomorrow for more movies with diverse holiday themes. And as we say, art is too important not to share. I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye.